When we got this antique hard timber massive temple, it had the antique wood look. What jobs or steps were taken to restore it? Redesign, especially cabinet and shelves, repurpose and recycle from other furniture. Replace worn out timber. Cured sign of aging, for example, filling where needed. The big challenge was to fix these massive pillars. Each pillar is made up of 3 columns of timber. Most did have wide splits. Fixed it using clamps, glue and TLC, then sanding and painting. In no time, it got new lease of life. शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी ओम जय जगदीश हरे। We all, including Tanya, did the planning, and my make it happen truly technical brother Pramodji Bareja did the removal and installation of the window. As usual, I assisted him a lot in this job in my house. Tanya did all sanding, painting and finishing. This existing timber was even more thicker and worn out at places. I was of the view to throw this timber out, and Tanya said, "This timber looks good to me and I will restore it," and she did it. This timber is still heavy as and solid as steel. Well done, Tanya. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Comments are most welcome.